All right. So here is the post-event. Oh, kids, you just knocked over one of the plants. This is the post-event garden walkthrough. Let me go back and fix this. So, since the event, I had a bunch of extra blueberry seeds, and I scattered them. I think email sign-ups, there was like maybe 10, but I definitely planted more than 10 seeds. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, you get the gist. These ones, I actually planted like the day of. So these are actually going really, really well. I like to use my food compost here. And the kids absolutely love to help make sure Mother Earth gets their nutrients. I like to rip up paper and put it into the soil so it helps act as a mulch. These are my sunflowers that I've grown from seed. I think I have some sort of snails or roly-polies eating them. I thought roly-polies actually went extinct, but they are also not an animal. No, they are not an insect. They are an animal. So this is my passion vine fruit plant. Back in March, I didn't have any fruit growing yet, but now I have lots and lots. Like, oh, there's this guy over here. This one I try to pull my fruit through the fence so it's not polluting my neighbor's yard. I actually I spit out some of my passion fruit seeds, so now I think a couple of them took root back there. These are some milkweeds I've grown from seed. I don't mind if the leaves fall on top of them because at least it acts like mulch. These are my red salvias. I always butchered it. But yeah, this summer's drought has been really harsh on my garden. Chevy found a lizard. These are my chives. I love these because not only can you cook with them, but they are a grass that is kind of resistant to drought and overwatering. They grow really, really well, super easy. They're Stella. These are my scallions. I actually cut them from a grocery shopping produce item, and I just stuck them in water, let it root, and now they're growing. Since March, that was my last event. Oh my gosh, no way, microgreens. These are my microgreens coming up. I literally just threw them out onto the soil the day of the Edward Waters Health Community Fair event. And look, I've got all of these coming up. I really thought, hi Chevy, hi. Do you want to help garden? Hello. Okay. My garden helper is amazing at this. I did have a mango tree growing, and then the heat kind of cooked it. At least my tomato plant back here is doing kind of well. I had some tomatoes and then I ate it. This you'll actually see in a lot of like some traditional Indian restaurants. They might have like a bowl of fennel seeds. Fennel helps with digestion. This was my fennel, and then once it flowers, what's left are the seeds, so you can just drop it and hope it grows. I'm also a really lazy gardener, so I like to use my fences as trellises, and I don't like to purchase shade. I like to build things that the plants will grow on for shade. Right here are my cherry tomatoes. This branch, I don't know, it's kind of struggling, but this all grew from the same tomato plant. There's a couple more baby tomatoes here. Like I said, the drought's been rough. But yeah, all this big old tomato plant grew from seed. Down here, this is my lemon thyme. It's great for repelling insects. Another tomato plant that started to grow from seed. Back here is my Carolina Reaper. Chevy, come here. Don't lay on my sunflowers. Come, Chevy. I know. Okay, fine. Alright, well, this is my Carolina Reaper. I really thought it died a few times. Like it really looked like it was dead, where all the branches kind of look like this. Just kind of sad. And then it grew back. Oh, I guess like a squirrel probably got to my passion fruit and it fell from up there. So this is what the passion fruit will look like when it's ripe. Ooh, yes, this finally ripened. This is a Carolina Reaper from the plant. Go ahead and take that in. Maybe grill it up today for the 4th of July weekend. Here's another one. I'll leave it on there a little bit longer so it has a chance to ripen. Tomato. Surprisingly, I killed a peppermint plant again because the summer has been rough. I don't know what this is growing, but I'm gonna leave it, see if it does anything, turns into anything tasty. See, there's a passion fruit, 2 passion fruits, and passion fruits up there. This is my glorious plumeria tree. They really are heavy feeders. I have a bunch of blueberry seeds that I threw out the day of the event. Now they're growing. I think this is a Logan or lychee seedling. I put a bunch of those in there. Anytime I eat a fruit or vegetable. See, there's a passion fruit, 2 passion fruits, and passion fruits up there. This is my glorious plumeria tree. They really are heavy feeders. I have a bunch of blueberry seeds that I threw out the day of the event. Now they're growing. I think this is a Logan or lychee seedling. I put a bunch of those in there. Anytime I eat a fruit or vegetable that has a seed, I try and throw them into the soil, see if it grows. This is another plumerias. These are, they're not edible, right? But they are from Hawaii, and the flowers are supposed to kind of like indicate, you know, like depending on the color and when you put it in your hair, if the female is single or married or looking or a widow. I'm not really sure about the details, but they are extremely heavy feeders. They get kind of big. They are extremely sensitive to the cold, and they attract lots of pollinators when they bloom. Marigolds. I have one that is blooming. These are a constant rotation of either my citrus. The drought's been rough, so I think it killed off my fruit because they turned black and fell. These are my what are these? Oh, my milkweed. These are my milkweeds. I grew them from seed, and then I use these reusable seedling pods, or I've been reusing them because I like to save money. Next time I plant seeds, I'll probably use old eggshells that I cracked open. This is a lantana. Great for attracting the pollinators because they smell super pretty. It's not really edible. There are some people who do eat them. I just don't feel, I don't have enough knowledge to eat them and not get sick. More passion fruit. Oh, my lemongrass, phenomenal. I propagate this all the time because they repel the mosquitoes and the flies. Rosemary. This is the rosemary plant I've had since I bought my house, so this is going on 3 years old. It's really tripled in size. This side kind of experienced some death from all the extreme heat. Dropped my fruit. Ooh, I made a mistake because I smell this on my hand, and when I take my contacts out later, I might be crying if the Carolina Reaper spice got into my hand. But this is my rosemary I've had for almost 2 years. It's been, it hasn't died. I'm so proud of it, and I use it all the time. Here's another type of chives I have. This is honeysuckle. You can either have a bush or a crawling, creeping vine version. I like to go to Eat Your Yard Jacks. They actually carry holy basil. Hold on, kids, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be doing something. Chevy, come out of there. Chevy, I know you're not stuck. Okay, you might be stuck. How did you get stuck back here? Wait, hold on. The pupper has been de-stuckified. Oh no, not the sunflowers, come here. Sunflowers are great for reoxygenating the soil. You can eat them and they're super easy to grow. Go inside. Why don't you go to the house, honey? Go to the house. Anyways, snapdragons, they're really good because they are super pretty. They're kind of hard to kill. But the flowers, these are my red ones. when the flowers fall off, you have these guys that harden and turn into you can kind of squish it. And then those black dots are the seeds. So I just let it fall. Thai basil, lavender, white sage. So some people call them smudging sage. Ooh, my butterfly bush is finally blooming. This summer has been struggling. I really thought I killed it a few times. I wouldn't say I have a green thumb, but I definitely get really lazy and too lazy to go to the store all the time and buy herbs. So I decided to start growing them. This is my Italian oregano. Kind of hard to kill. They like direct sun, humid areas, lots of drainage. I mean, we've all had oregano on our pizza. It tastes great. It's also really antimicrobial, and it smells phenomenal. This, I am so excited. Look at this beauty. I just got this year. These are my hot Thai pepper plants. Oh, where did it go? There's my hand. Got the flowers. This is gonna be the second or third time this year I harvest peppers. Doing really well. These are my lunchbox orange snacking peppers. These are really tasty. I haven't been able to get this one to bloom though. I don't really know why. I'm gonna assume it has something to do with the extreme lack of rain. My doggos love to eat balls. Oh, I have an aloe plant over here. This one was given to me actually by one of my coworkers, and I propagated it. Ooh, I'm really excited for this one because look, check this out. I don't know if you can see it, hopefully. Yes, here we go. This is another passion fruit ready to go. So this comes all the way back here, and that's the garden. Hi, Stella. Okay. Because my backyard is struggling to grow a lawn, I've been trying to grow zoysia seeds. Really can't talk. Here is creeping thyme. It naturally repels mosquitoes, and they creep, they crawl, they grow, kind of like tomato plants. So these are various stages of my little seedlings. I like to use other plants as shade when seedlings are still very young and sensitive. Here's another plumeria tree. I actually thought I almost killed this one. I was overwatering it. Here's some more tomato plants. This one was one very small, sick tomato plant. Then I rescued it. Some garlic chives. So I definitely met my quota for planting a new pollinator or herb plants for every email sign up. This is Thai basil, or what's also called like cinnamon or purple basil. No, not purple basil. This is parsley. It's really good for freshening up your breath. This flower, when it kind of dies off and is what they call spent, I'll take it. Oh, here's one actually. These are the marigold seeds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it right back in here and grow some more. And nature will take its course. Some more sod growing, milkweed, lots of blueberry plants, and this is my peppermint and lemongrass.